Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share play in Apple Music. So if you want to share your play or you want to share your songs or your music with a fellow friends, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Music. So I'm just going to search music, this Apple Music, then you tap on library. Once you tap on library, then make sure you tap to 6 to play. Then from here you have the list of your history. Then from there just long click on the particular music you wish to share with a friend, then tap on share songs. Then to bring out the list of available apps where you can share your play. You can share your play through AirDrop, message, WhatsApp, and other social media platforms, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.